Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the tap to wake function on an iPhone. This feature, when enabled, allows the iPhone screen to turn on when a tap is detected on the screen when that screen is locked and off. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down to Accessibility and tap it. Scroll down to Touch and tap it. Tap the toggle button next to Tap to Wake to turn it on. If you now lock your iPhone by pressing the power button and putting it down, you can now do a single tap on the screen to turn the screen on. If you want to turn off Tap to Wake, just go back into the settings and toggle Tap to Wake to off, and your iPhone screen will no longer turn on when tapped. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. If you want more iPhone and iOS tips and tricks like this one, I have a playlist of them here on the left, and if you want to watch my latest video, it's here on the right. Lastly, if you could, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more tips just like this one.